All right, part 66. Edit for proper MLA in text citations. So, like it or not, there are rules for writing papers. In an English class, we follow the rules laid out by the Modern Language Association. So, when you're creating these in-text citations for quoted lines of poetry, you need to include the author's last name and line numbers. So, in the case of Beowulf, there is no author, but there is a translator, and that is Seamus Haney. So therefore, we're going to cite his last name and the line numbers he wrote. So what you're going to do for this activity is you're going to fix the errors in the chart and pay attention to all the small details. And that includes like where the quotation marks go, where the parentheses go, where the end punctuation goes. You do not have to color code your work. It's been done to emphasize the changes that were made, but that's not an expectation for you in this portion of the assignment. So when we look at this, let's look at this incorrect in-text citation. Another example of Beowulf's strength is sinews split and the bone lappings burst, period, quote. Now, and then it says line 816 to 817, page 8. There's a lot wrong here. First, you would need to make sure that you put the quote mark after your quote ends, but you're not going to put the period here. You're going to put the period after your in-text citation. So you're going to have that in-text citation and add Haney 816 to 817, but you don't need to put that page 8, okay? So that is one way to do it. You could just have the quote there and then have that in-text citation at the end. Or let's look at this next example. One example through the text that shows Beowulf is confident is on page 3, lines 684 through 685. Unarmed he shall face me, if he face me he dares. So this person thought they were good because they said on page 3, but that is not correct MLA and text citation. What you can do is write can be found in lines 684 to 685, then you put in your quote, and then you would just put the author's last name in text and in parentheses at the end of the quote. Now remember, quote, parentheses, and then the period. Okay? If you have any questions at all, do not hesitate to ask. Thank you. Oh, one thing I do want to cover real quickly. This is what you will need to do. You'll need to revise this on the chart at the end here. You have 3 different ones you'll need to do. Thank you.